It's a huge help by being able to provide detailed 3D images to clients so they can actually see what they're going to get, and we can work through the design process in tandem. Having these tools to visualize the pull forces, the deck forces, the structural integrity and bend moments of the designs. SOLIDWORKS Simulation provides that, so I can target exactly within the structure where these pull forces are coming from and how that's impacting it. SOLIDWORKS Visualize is probably one of my favourite features because that's what brings the designs to life. That's helped win various projects just by being able to do that. I think it helps you stand out.